Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So right now, before I start my video, I'm going to just moisturize my lips. I'm using this lippy from Chevy Beauty Lux, or Lux. I think it's Lux, L-A-X, yes. Go ahead and support my girl on Instagram. She just started her business, so yes guys. So right now I'm going to do this video for you. So this video, I am going to show you the easiest way on how I install my wig on a day-to-day basis. No, this is not a ball cap method, just regular, easiest, just the regular easiest way that I do on my day-to-day basis. So as you can see, I'm combing up my hair. Oh my god, I just washed my hair and my hair is so thirsty. I do not have anything in my hair than just a little bit of ear oil. So as you can see, I'm parting up my hair to get it braided to the back, and I'm just going to repeat all that method, all that steps until it is all completely braided. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just tacked the back of my hair with some hair thread and a hair needle. Now I'm just sorting out my wig, because sometimes I pin up my wig and I don't even bother to brush it out or anything. I just take it off my head when I get home in the evenings or whenever, and I just put it down, because I can tell you, having on a wig throughout one full day, then the next day can be very annoying. Well, for me especially, because it's so hot. Having on a wig is so hot. So anyways, I'm making sure the hair is not tangled and not too fuzzy. I'm gonna apply conditioner water to it now.
About you makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy. About you makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel this thing. You feel this thing, babe. Something in my mind.
So guys, after getting my wig moist with the mixture of conditioner water, and I brushed it out, I'm just gonna apply it onto my head and make sure it is fixed properly where it's the way it is cut out. So you know, I'm just making sure that the baby ear are not under the lace and all that thing that you're expected to do, just to make sure that your wig is properly fixed on your head and it is straightened, and you just want to get into gluing it down. Yeah. So next I'm going in with my alcohol, that's alcohol on the cotton, and I'm just extracting the excess glue because as I said before, I just get home and take the wig off my head. I put it down. I do not do anything after I take it off until when I'm going to reapply it again. So you just want to get rid of that excess glue and make sure it's not there, else the got to be glue that I'm going to use further down in this video will not allow the hair to stick properly. So yes, I'm just making sure everything is okay. As you can see, straightening the wig again, because yeah. Next, I fold back the lace because then I'm going to go for my got to be glue and apply to my ear hedge where the lace is going to stick down on my head right there. So then I proceed to spray the got to be glue. I'm going to do section by section and just, yeah, because for me, I don't want to do spray everything one time, then obviously it won't stick properly. Some part will be dried before some part. Remember, you want to get the glue to be a bit sticky, not dry, just a bit sticky. So I spray the glue there and then I'm using my fingers just to make sure the glue is not running all the way down in my eyes or anything like that. So I'm not going to use a blow dryer today. I'm just going to use my hand because I said this is a regular day-to-day basis. So I just normally just hair dry the glue with my hands and then I just check to see that it is properly glued. After which I'm just going to take the lace, pull it down to where the glue was sprayed. That is a bit dry now because remember, you don't want it to be too dry, you just want it to be a little bit dry. So I'm going to take the lace and bring it down to the edge of my hair and make sure that it is properly glued down and it is staying down. You don't want it to be lifting off or anything like that. So I'm just going to repeat the process for the entire lace that is going to go all the way at the front of my hair, and I'm just going to repeat that process until all the lace is glued down. So yes guys. So yes guys, I'm just using my tie, that's like a stocking that I cut just to tie down to make sure my lace is properly glued down and it will stay down properly. Yeah, so I'm just waiting just to make sure that it is properly glued and it's there. I just probably wait, I give it like 5 minutes, could be shorter, depends on what you're doing, if you're in a rush or anything like that. So yes, I'm just checking to make sure everything is properly done and my lace is all glued to my forehead. That's what you say, right? And then I go in with my alcohol on the cotton again just to remove the hair that is sticked up, like the baby hair that is sticked up where you don't want it to be stick, because remember now you're going to go into getting your baby ears all slayed and yep, snatched and all of that. So yes guys, so as you can see, I have taken out my baby ears. I'm just going to use a razor comb just to take off some of the excess length off them, because sometimes you're combing out the baby ear and the longer ears come back out again. guys, we're down to the second to last step now. So I'm just tying back my edges again. So you want to make sure the baby ears are properly um glued down. Not everybody's got to be glued to do their edges. So for me, I call it glue down because I want them to stay for the entire day. Now we're on to the final step. We're going to style it here. We're going to use conditioner water. And there you have it, guys. That's my easy go-to install wig method. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.